after experiencing lag spikes in CS2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to enhance your gameplay and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings to lower graphics quality, which can help improve performance. Lowering resolution, disabling VSync, and reducing texture quality can significantly reduce lag. Step 3. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card and network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching CS2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or downloads can consume bandwidth and processing power, leading to lag. Step 5. Adjust network settings. Modify your network settings to prioritize gaming traffic. You can do this by enabling quality of service QoS on your router, which prioritizes gaming data over other types of traffic, or by using a gaming VPN to reduce ping. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience with reduced lag spikes. Enjoy a smoother gameplay experience